no basis at all. On what basis did UDM resign from Azimio to go the other side, even before the speaker had been elected, even before members had been sworn in? What was it that was now more attractive in Kenya Kwanza than in Azimio? Merely because of political expediency. Political prostitution is something that must stand condemned by all civilized Kenyans. Then now the so-called Kenya Kwanza is being proud that they are majority. It's an artificial majority because the people they have here have not gone to ask the people who elected them whether they want to go to Kenya Kwanza. They are going there, they're going and voting with the people against whom their own elected voted. They were elected against those people. So now Mr. Ruto is enjoying an artificial majority which does not deserve. And therefore we do not respect any laws that are passed by that artificial majority. Now you come to voting in parliament. You see what Kenya Kwanza is trying to do is to abuse the so-called artificial majority to change the laws of the country, very fundamental laws. You have a situation where you find that I don't want to call him president, the head of the executive, is writing to the speaker for the speaker to initiate a legislation that will end up with creating a position of a leader of official opposition. Now, ordinarily, first, the president cannot initiate a constitutional amendment. That was even the ruling of the Supreme Court. Secondly, the speaker does not originate legislation. The speaker sits there and waits for laws to be brought, the bills to be brought to him. Usually, if the government wants any legislation, first, there must be a cabinet memorandum. That matter is discussed in the cabinet. The cabinet then approves it. It goes to the Attorney General, who then now complete the bill. The draft bill which has passed by the cabinet is then given to the leader majority, who now comes and tables it before the House. That is how the civilized parliament work. So this law, which is supposed to be initiated by the president through the speaker, is null ab initio, null and void, and should not be accepted by parliament. And our advice is that our members of parliament should not accept to deliberate the legislation. The other one is saying that these members who have defected from Azimio coalition need to resign their positions and go. Then secondly, you see a new dangerous phenomenon developing, that members of parliament are approaching the executive supposedly for development in their constituencies. Under our current constitutional dispensation, the resources are being actually allocated by parliament. Parliament is the one that the executive comes with a budget proposal to parliament. Parliament looks at those budget proposals and then agrees on how to allocate resources. So the days when members of parliament used to go and see Mtukufu Rais Nyayo, ati ulituahidia sisi utaleta mradi ya maji hapa, utajenga local housing hii hapa, barabara hii itatengenezwa, kwenda piga magoti chini kwa rais alete maendeleo. Imekwisha. That era is gone. You don't need. If you want to go and see Mr. President as a person of Upende in State House, go. But if you want to go and talk about issues that affect the party, then you must give him permission by the party before you go to see the president. What you see, these people must be seen for what they are, traitors in the cause of a revolution. We are in the course of a very serious issue. What we have through here is the course to bring the people of Kenya at the center of development of our country.